Good day, we are Team 6 and we are going to demonstrate our project design entitled Design of a Multiple Personal Protective Equipment Detection System for Construction Safety Monitoring using Deep Learning. The team consists of 4 members, Mr. Martin Lorenzo Basbacio, Mr. Zeus James Baltazar, Ms. Clarence K. La Rosa, and Mr. Ian Gabriel Marquez. First, we will discuss the specific objectives of the project. First is to design a system that can detect whether a construction worker is wearing or not wearing multiple personal protective equipment such as hard hat, safety glasses, gloves, vests, and boots. Second is to develop a mobile application that can send notification and generate detailed logs to the intended users who are mainly the safety personnel. And third is to test and evaluate the accuracy of the system. Now we will introduce first the prototype. So this is the overall appearance of the prototype. It is a white box and you can see the sides of the prototype. It has an LED indicator and a buzzer, power off button. Then the holes on the top, right, left, and back part will serve as a ventilation holes of the device. This is the power adapter port and the camera. On the bottom part of the device, you can see the tripod hole. Then this is the power supply adapter. This one is for the tripod that will serve as stand of the device. So we will now show a video demonstration on how to set up the device, how to connect the mobile application, and how to turn off the device. So how to set up the device? First, mount the device to the tripod. Then, position the device to your desired angle and location. Plug the power supply adapter to the device. And push the main power on button of the device. Next step, to be able to use the mobile application, make sure that you connect your Android device to the Wi-Fi of the monitoring device. The credentials of the Wi-Fi is shown at the lower right of the screen. And make sure you have the app, then register if you don't have an account. Enter your credentials. Then you can now log in. Click the login button. So the next step is to go to the detection page to add a camera or device. Click the floating icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then enter the credentials of the camera. Type the server URI, username, password, and topic. The credentials to be entered must be the same as the one on the screen, but the camera name depends on the user. Click OK. To use the camera for monitoring, click the added camera, then click the connect button. Then just wait. Every detection has 10-second interval, so you can now see the detection at the bottom. Every beep and blink of the buzzer and LED, there will be a notification alert in mobile application, meaning there is a detection. So you can see below the screen capture, timestamp, camera name, total number of detected person, total number of detected PPE, the camera details, which consist of detected PPE, whether missing or not, and the person ID for easy identification. When not in use, just click disconnect. This will disconnect your mobile application to the device. Let's check the logs. It shows here the previous detections. To turn off, just press the red button until it creates a continuous beeping. Then unplug the power. So that's all on how to use the device or the prototype.